Hello friends, welcome to back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be. May Almighty keep you happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet flowers patterns designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow. Press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all. The designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel. In the first time, you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. I so will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Elin, inshallah, in the next video. And like, or if you want to you watch any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Well, remember prayer, and bye.